So once you log in to Strikingly account, this is what you see. This is the dashboard. If you have created any website, then you'll be able to see the site listed right here, where you have an option to go ahead and edit, see the statistics of it, see the forms of it, blog for it, and even access more option for it right here. In order to create another site, you can go ahead and click on Create New Site. And this is under the My Site section. You can go to domains right here just like this to search and register for a domain as you like for your site as well. If you were to go to the audience section, then you'll be able to see the audience data right here. And then around over here, you can go ahead and then access the logo maker in order to go ahead and create a logo for your site as well. So this is the dashboard, as you can see. Over here on the top, the other page is Discover as well, which allows you to go ahead and search for different templates that you may want to use for your website. So this is what you have right here. Over here on the top, you have an option for pricing and upgrade, so you can go ahead and get a premium version of the account. And over here on the top, on the user, you can see your login information, your account, and all of the details right here. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and change the language as you please as well, and that particular language will be applied right here. In my case, I'm selecting English, but if I were to select something else, you can see that I can change the language of the dashboard as well. But let me just go ahead back right here onto English, because that is what I'm comfortable with. So this is the dashboard, and as we move along, we're going to go ahead and see how we can go ahead and then create out a new site, use templates, and even use the generation tools as we want to create a site as we need. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.